XP Power's DSR series of AC to DC DIN rail power supplies pack exceptional performance into an ultra-slim package to maximize DIN rail space for use in industrial and factory automation. The 75 watt and 120 watt supplies are only 32 mm wide, while the 240 watt is just 45 mm wide. This high density is coupled with the ability to handle 150% peak loading for up to 3 seconds to provide startup power without requiring an oversized power supply. 12 volt, 24 volt, and 48 volt outputs are available with support for trimming and parallel operation. XP Power DSR AC to DC power supplies operate from -25 degrees Celsius to +70 degrees Celsius with no derating up to +60 degrees Celsius and operate at 88% to 94% typical efficiency.